Hello guys, this is going to be my first ever video on this channel. It's going to be my first Road to Glory. And yeah, I've already started a bit, and I don't want to restart because yeah, I've already made a team and everything. I'm currently in Division 6. Yeah, and as you can see by my record, I'm not too good. So yeah, anyways, today I'm going to be opening some packs. And let's see what we can get. Okay. So we're gonna be opening premium gold packs. Yeah, no promos. Anyway, we have 2,225 FIFA points. I'm gonna see how many packs I can get us. Okay, let's go. First pack. Come on. Okay, not a good pack at all. Oh, okay, we got one free gold pack. Redeem. We're going to be using this jersey. Set you. Okay. Now, send to club. You I can discard. Send to club. Send to club. Send to club. And see how much you go. Any skills? Oh, yeah, he's goalie. No. Okay, I'm just gonna send him to the club and quick sell the rest. Okay, yeah, not a good pack at all. I'm gonna open my free gold pack that I just got. So let's see what we go get. Wow. It's actually pretty good for just a regular gold pack. It's actually better than what we just got. So yeah. Send all the contracts to my club. Roberto, England. Yeah, I'm just gonna quick sell all items. Nothing really useful. Okay. Who would spend actual coins on that? They have premium everything except for gold packs. Okay, second pack. Well, technically third. Okay, let's go. Come on. Really? A rare. Wow. That hurts. That's not my league. I'm Syria. Wow. Nothing. Quick sell all. You know what? I'm just gonna open up to around like 3 more packs if I don't get anything good. Like seriously. It's been like a waste of money so far. At least we get a rare this time. Oh, FC Bayern use badge. Not even the jersey. Okay. Manually signed South African, no. Contracts. We even get a silver contract, like Vargas. Let's see if he goes for anything. Compare price. He literally goes for less than his quick sell. Might as well put the bid on it. Might as well quick sell everyone here. 3. Okay, anyways. All of you are getting quick sold. Yeah. Oh. This has been brutal. Okay. And not even a rare play. Wow, that's a lot of players. Oh, wow. that guy looks really creepy. Okay, any skills moves? No. 2-star everything. 2-star, 2-star, 3-star, 2-star. Wow. 3-star, but he has a good weak foot anyways. I'm just gonna quick sell all 2K. 13K right now. You know what? I'm actually gonna show you my team. Transfers. Did I win? Anything? Okay, yeah. I was trying to get a steal on Ribery. Now my squad. Yeah, it's gonna be my first of the series, first episode. So yeah, here I have my Italy squad. It is a 4-4-2 formation. Yeah, let's start from the back actually. I have my Sirigu, the goalie from PSG. Yeah, Curlini and Paletta as my center backs. Yeah, I don't really know soccer all that well. I just searched it in Paletta, no, Maggio. He's the worst rated person on my team, but he has good chemistry with everyone. Then I have Cole as my left back. Now my right midfielder, I have Candreva. He's good. I like him at the artist formation. Chemistry. Then Gervinho, he's just a tank. Like, he can run fast, like really, really fast. Yeah, as you can see with that 93 pace in the left side. Then we have Pirlo and Marquisio. Yeah, Marquisio is really good. I find he can handle his own, and Pirlo has a very good curve shot, and he's a very good passer and an okay dribbler. Then my strikers are Tevez. I have a boost card of him of +10, +6 all. Yeah. So yeah, his pace shot and dribbling is not that good, as you can see, as he has a an attribute card on him. Then I have Benzema. He kind of screws up the whole Serie A chemistry with the Italian. Yeah. Okay, then on my bench, I need to improve this big time. Ivy Barbo. Yeah. He's good. He's my replacement for Candreva. And then I have De Rossi. He's my replacement even if these get injured or anything like that. If I'm too lazy to buy a injury card. Anyways, Tevez has an injury leg. Okay, at least I got contracts. Okay, now if I don't get anything good, this will be my last pack, and I'll save the rest for my next episode. Okay, come on, Hazard on the cover. Hazard. Come on, closing my eyes. Did we get anything? Nothing. Contracts. Got a lot of players. Fitness. Maestro. Okay, yeah, it's not bad. I'll store my consumables. Yeah, I'll keep the rest of these for another time. Yeah, so guys, this has been your boy Guardian Gaming, and I'll see you next time on my next episode of Road to Glory. Yeah, thanks.